following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Boone County in north-central Illinois, Lake Illinois County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 2 a.m. At 8:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing extremely heavy rain across and moving into the warned area. These storms will produce rainfall rates up to an inch in less 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to locally over 2 inches are expected in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Buffalo Grove, Crystal Lake, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Dorney, Mundelein, Algonquin, Highland Park, Lake, Indiana the Hills, Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Belvedere, Vernon Hills, Woodstock, Zion, and Early. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.